How do you type text on top of a photo using the markup tool? If you have your photo ready to go, you can select Edit, and to get to the markup tool you click this circle with 3 dots. In an iPhone Plus that appears down here. Markup. Alright, hit the plus for more tools. Text is what we're hoping for. Alright, so it puts a box right on the screen there. It was hard to see because of the background. So to move the box you just touch in the middle of it and drag it over. I'm going to make the width larger by pulling this handle here, and then I'm going to change the font to Noteworthy, and then I'm going to change the size with this slider. This is also how you can left align, center, justified, and right align. Go with center. And now I'm going to touch the text box, edit, and now I'm going to hello, return, there. Now to get the keyboard out of the way, touch the screen, or the photo. And now I really want to change the color. So I'm going to click away, click the text box, and right here there's a black circle. It's hard to see. Change the color. Maybe yellow. Drag it into position, and you got your text. You can still adjust the size, the font. It's a very handy feature. So once you're done with that, click done, and you're good to go. Click done if you want to keep it. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.